Little something new about your common denominator today. It's got addition and subtraction in it. Whew, all right. So I can't do anything yet. First of all, are those the same denominators? They almost look the same, but you got to double check there, and they're not. Okay? And there's addition and subtraction. If you looked at all the denominators we did on Friday, none of them had addition and subtraction in it. So what I'm going to ask you to do first is, before we find a common denominator, factor all the denominators you can right now. Okay? Factor the denominators to make this process a little easier. And shocker, you got to know how to factor, right? That will never change. All right, so somebody, a little help on factoring the first denominator. Here we go. 1, what do you got for me? Excellent job. What about the next denominator for me? Here we go. 5.
X minus X, X plus X.
That's not a perfect, X isn't a perfect square though. Where do you always start your factoring journey? Look for, all right, go ahead.
X minus.
Okay. We're all good? Got to factor it first. All right, now it's time to find the common denominator. Common denominator. Common denominator. Can you pick out something that's in common in both and don't tell me X? Give me something full here. X. Okay, so that has to go in your common denominator once and only once. Whatever repeats has to go in there. Is there anything else I could put in there that repeats other than the X minus 1s? No. But remember what I said when I went over the homework problem. Everything's got to be represented. So not only do you have to take what's in common, you got to take the rest of it too. What's the rest up there that I haven't even touched? The X right here, that's got to go in my common denominator. And there's one other thing I haven't touched yet. Okay, that here is the full common denominator for problem 1. What's in common? Got it? And then what's left over also has to go in there. Let that soak in for a second because we still have to do the whole, what do I need to multiply by? Ready? First fraction. What are you going to multiply by? Look, I got the X minus 1. I got the X plus 1. What's the only thing I got to multiply this by? X, yep. So this will get multiplied by an X. And that'll just leave me 2X on top. Next up, what's missing from this denominator that I have to multiply by? 7, what's missing here to here? What do I have to multiply by? X plus 1. And you're going to distribute that 3 plus 3x plus 3. Keep going. Simplify the top for me. Here you go, 6. Simplify the top. 5x plus 3 all over x, x minus 1, x plus 1. Anything else? Can I do anything else? Can I simplify that even more or no? Cross off the x's? I don't know. I'm just throwing stuff out there. That's it. Okay, that's it. Factor your denominators. Take out what's in common, and then put in the rest for the common denominators. All right, put in the rest. Anything you want to ask here before I get too tricky? Everyone's doing all right. Yep, go ahead, Grace. No, because here's why. Because you got to combine it with something here too. Okay, and that changes the whole fraction. Okay? Simplify at the end, all right? Simplify at the end. All right, here you go. Next up, go ahead, factor the denominators for me. Factor the denominators, and then we'll find out what our common denominator is. 1 when you're ready. Factor both for me. Yep. Nice job. All right, what should go in my common denominator? What's the common terms up there? Common terms up there. 13, what's common? X plus 6. Got to go in my common denominator. I don't see anything else. Do you guys? But what are the leftovers, though? Leftovers that still got to go in. 7, leftovers. Okay, x minus 6 and x. Got it. Whew, here we go. What's the 2 got to get multiplied by? What's it missing? What's it missing? You got this. Dig deep. Dig deep. 11. Just? X. Nice job. 2x. All right, let's see if you got what you got in you for this next one. What do you got in you? 17. I got x and x plus 6. What's the 1 got to get multiplied by? What's it? Come on, ready? X plus 6. X plus 6. What's this missing that the common denominator has? Where are you seeing x squared? Ready? See that denominator right there? I got x and I got x plus 6. What does our common denominator have that that one doesn't have? Okay, there we go. So that's what I have to multiply the top by. Oh, we're not done there. Anybody want to warn me of something here? Maybe? Before I multiply? Might want to warn me of something. Hi, I'm a subtraction symbol, right? So am I really distributing a 1? Nope, distributing a -1. So go ahead, distribute -1. Let me know what's left. 4, let me know what's left. Distribute a -1. Of course. 19. Thank you. When you're subtracting, you have to distribute whatever you're multiplying with the negative sign. Finish the top for me. Finish the top. Let's go, 5. Finish the top for me. What am I left with?
X plus 6.
Finish it. Anything else I can do here? Not saying a word. 14. Anything else I can do?
We got X plus 6.
Yep. See you later. What's left?
1 over X. Times X plus 6.
Done. That's the only thing that maybe trips you up. Guys doing all right? There's not too many problems today. That's why I'm going slow. We doing all right? Okay, you know what to do first with the denominators. When you're adding and subtracting, you know what to do first. And when you add and subtract, we don't cross out anything. That's only multiplication and division. We don't cross out a darn thing. What's a factor into? 20 all the way. What's a factor into? What about the next one? What should be my common denominator now? 14, what should be my common denominator? Is one of them, yep. That's what's in common, so I took that out. And what's the leftovers? Good. Yep. Absolutely not. Good question. Absolutely not. All right, meaning what do I now need to multiply the 6 by? 4. What do I need to multiply the 6 by? Not here. Yeah, I know that. 14. Look at that. On fire back there. This is how it goes. X plus 4, yep. So 6x plus 24. All right, keep going. 3, what about the right side? X plus 1, yep. Oh, okay, even going that far. All right, 3x plus 3. Oh, you want to keep going? I didn't know it was show-off day.
I thought you were waiting.
I'm sure, yep. What do you got?
Yeah, 9x plus 1.
Whew. Done, or can something else? 9, anything else?
Yeah, you still got the x plus 3. That's what you can factor.
Well, easy, yep, easy. Into what?
9, you take the 9 out, and x plus 3.
Whew. And then go ahead and finish it off by. Go ahead, Andrew, you're on this from the beginning.
It's 9 over x plus 1.
There you go. Boom. That was a lot right there, huh? You okay? Wow, look at that next one, huh? Addition and subtraction in the same problem. Anybody nervous? Sweating profusely? All right, you know the deal. Factor it up. Get it. Get it. As much as you can factor right now. Nine, talk to me again.
Factor in 9 over x plus 5 and x plus 2.
Anything else we could have factored?
The next one.
I'm just asking.
X plus 3 over x plus 5.
The only one I could factor was the first one. Common denominator. Nope, you're done. 3. What's the common denominator? Ooh, easy here now. What's it ready? What's in common? Give me something that's in common. Okay, so that's got to go in there. Is there anything else in common? What? Are there any leftovers when I put those in there? No, so you're looking at your common denominator right there. Okay? X plus 5's common, x plus 2's common. Anything left over? Nope. We're good? What do I multiply by here? Here we go, 10. What should I multiply the 9 by? Nice! Nothing. It already has the common denominator. Kids are strong today. 4. Nice answer. 12. What do I multiply the 3 by? X plus 2. So I should get 3x plus 6. Going to need a stud here for this last one. 1. Whoa, hold on, Molly. There we go. Multiply by x plus 5. Yep. Anybody want to speak up here before I multiply? Go ahead, Anna. You're darn right. I'm not distributing 1. You're going to distribute one more time, Anna. -1 because I'm subtracting here. So all of it, whoop, gets distributed. So Anna, you want to finish that beast off here? Minus x, not plus 5, but minus 5. Be careful, everybody. All right, anybody want to simplify this for me? Simplify it 10. What's up? 15. Where are we looking? Yep, and then you have the minus 5 over here, though. One all in one. 10, yep. And 2x. 2x plus 10 or 10 plus 2x, yep. Whoo! You're getting there. $12. You want to do anything else, or can I finish this? Done. This is all done. Thank you. And be left with? And then what do you want to get rid of? There it is, final. 2 over x plus 5. You got it. X plus, calm down. Don't even say a word. Don't even say a word. It's not a mistake because I caught it. And I have no idea how to get this all back now. Oh, there it is. Hey, I know you probably know this, but should I cross off the 2's? Self-respect. Remember that. Self-respect. Have some. All good? All right, one more. You guys may find this easier than probably Friday, some of you, huh? Maybe. Oh, he gives us one of these. Prove the identity. Yep, one's going to be on the quiz too, where you got to draw your line down, and let's get to work. Which side do you want to try to work on, the right or the left? What are you going to do on the left? Can you factor anything on the left? We can work on the left, I just don't know how. No, good try there, Sling Blade. Good try. All right, good try, good try. How'd that happen, by the way? No, how you got injured, yes. Okay. Just asking. What's the recovery time with that sling? 5? How's the quality of life? Is it? Is it like you wear that 24/7 pretty much? But is it going to be worth it at the end? So you don't have any more shoulder pain? All right, then. And I guess 5 weeks isn't that much to ask for quality of life, right? All right, so 5 weeks. You're just going to be rolling in like a new man, huh? Okay, good. All right, so there's not much I can do on the left there. But can I add 2 fractions there? Yes, we can. I know there's a 1 here, and you're like, that's not a fraction. Baloney, it's not. What's it over? 1, okay. Is there anything to take out as far as a GCF for x to the third plus 8? No, you can't factor this at all. So ready? So what's going to be my common denominator here? Take your time. Some people get freaked out by this. Is there anything in common? If you look at 1 and x cubed plus 8, do they have anything in common I can take out? Nope. So you put the leftovers in now, right? What's still left that I have to put in there? X cubed plus 8. You can put the 1 in there if that makes you feel good inside, but it's not going to affect anything. That's the common denominator, x cubed plus 8. All right, what do I have to multiply everything by now? Ready? That's just a 1 there. Everyone agree? I still need to multiply it by what to get to the common denominator? X cubed plus 8, yeah. And what happens when you multiply x cubed by 8 times 1? X cubed plus 8. Don't cross out anything because I'm not done yet. Go to the other fraction, everybody. Is there anything I need to multiply this one by? No, it's the same, right? So I'm just still going to put plus 1. Anybody want to combine like terms up there? X cubed plus 9. Anybody want to take a look at the left side? Isn't that where we needed to be? Okay, some of these, sometimes they're not as long as you expect them to be. Okay, again, 1 and x cubed plus 8, there's nothing in common, so I put the whole denominator down there. Multiplied the 1 by x cubed plus 8. Did not have to multiply the second fraction by anything. Combined my like terms, and I got the left side. Questions there? Yep. No, all that means is, here's what this means. X, you can't get x to be equal to -2 because if you plugged in -2, guess what I would get on the bottom? You know what -2 cubed is? -8. What number would I get on the bottom? 0. And a little review for Thursday. What type of fraction is that if I have a denominator? Begins with a U, undefined. Yep. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that part. All right, let's start some of the assignment here. And I'm hoping not doing the assignment on a consistent basis for some of you is not going to hurt you on Thursday. We'll find out quick, all right?